Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So today is going to be a little bit different from the vlog because we are going to be painting and clearing this extension room basically. So it is an absolute tip right now. There's just stuff everywhere. The table's in the middle of the room, the chairs are just scattered. It's just a mess. Let me show you. We're going to be getting rid of the TV. That's going to be going upstairs in our room. And then there's just stuff. This is our painting box that we just got down from the loft. And it's just got loads of crap in there. And it also had these dust sheets which are going to go on the floor to protect the floor. And then there's just stuff all over the place. The table's a mess. And then it's just, there's just stuff all over the place. Kids have got all these toys out and yeah. I don't even know, it's cray cray in here. So the first thing that I need to do is clear all the floor, make sure all the toys are put away. I'm going to put this Hoover back together because I washed it out the other day and it's just been drying out here in this room. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do first. Yay, good job. So we had a little break from doing the painting, but now we're going to start doing it again. But we're gonna have a cup of tea and then start doing it again because the kids are now in bed. Well, at least it is. Issa is just sitting on the sofa. He's so tired. I don't even understand why he's still awake. He should be sleeping because he never had a nap today and he's been falling asleep on the sofa the whole day. So I don't understand how he's still awake. It is, what time is it? Oh my God. It is 5 to 8, so he should be sleeping. He'll fall asleep soon, I think. But this is how the room is looking. Let me just show you around. So all of this wall, the TV was there, it's gone now. We're gonna put, it's there, look. We're gonna put that upstairs, but the top bits haven't been done properly yet. And, oh, come on, focus. It's not got anything to focus on. Let's focus on the top. Better. We're not gonna do the ceiling because that's already white, kind of, I think, I don't know. So we're not gonna do the ceiling, but the rest of it is all gonna be white. Oh my God, like all the edges here are gonna be white. And this corner's gonna be white too. We need to do another coat and then paint this as well. And it's gonna look amazing. Look how much brighter it looks already. It just looks so good. Like, I didn't think it would make this much of a difference, but when you look at that, you can really tell how different it actually is. But yeah, I cannot wait until it's all done. And this is gonna be like my fancy dining room slash playroom. It's gonna be a mess all the time, I just know it, but that's life. That obviously is gonna go back here, and then I'm gonna get some new chairs, hopefully, but these ones are, they've had their day basically. Look at this. I got these for so cheap on eBay when we were in our old house, and then all the back, like all of this part has all come off each one of them. If you can see here. Like this one's even snapped there, so they've had their day. They've had a few years of good use, so they weren't wasted. I literally got them for £40 for 4, so they were £10 each from eBay, so I can't complain. They lasted for like 4 years, maybe 5 years, maybe, I don't even know. They lasted a good while. But yes, we're just gonna finish off doing this room tonight. Might show you a bit of it, but if not, I will show you it tomorrow in this vlog, and then you can see the end result. But yeah, it's going good. Like, we've made good progress. I'm not gonna lie, most of it was done, like the whole wall here was done by my husband. I did the door, and then you saw me do this part and up here, and then I've done like around the edges a bit, and I also redid all of these rails, and then we got to also do the skirting boards as well. We never ended up using this paint because it just did not do a good job at covering the surfaces, so we've just stuck to using this one because it looks fine on here. It just needs another coat and then it'll be perfect. Tell me what you think of it all being white, because I kind of really like it. I don't know, I like it. Anyway, I'm gonna go make a nice cup of tea and then we're gonna start doing this again. is the next day now, and I thought I would show you our progress. So all of this wall is done, basically just needs a little paintbrush through the edges, and then this part all needs to be done still. And let me show you. We've moved this shelf out of here, so all of this can get done today. And oh, there's paint on the floor. And then doesn't this look so good? Like, does that not just look amazing compared to how it was before? And this is just how it's looking. There's still a mess everywhere. We've covered up everything so that it's all ready to paint today. But this is how it looks so far.
So lighty.
Do you like it? What do you think about this room, Elisa?
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
All the corners are all done as well, look. Although there's a bit we missed here. In the dark, it's so hard to actually know what you've done. Also, this door is actually rank. But all these bits here, and then I noticed as well on the edges of here, these need to be done too. And on that side, and I think that's kind of done. Not really, but okay, that needs to be all done. But doesn't it look so amazing? Do you like it, Elisa?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm going to end this video now. If you want to know how this room turns out in the end, then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything, and turn on the bell notifications, which I don't know where they are, but you can find them somehow. I can't remember how to do it. But oh yeah, this plant has like blossomed. How beautiful is this? It's broken. Yes, it's broken. So this plant was given to me when I had my baby shower with Isa by my sister's friends. So thank you, Sarah, Afra, Suad, because I know that you guys watch my videos. But look how beautiful it looks. I'm so happy that it started to flower again, because it was just literally these stalks for like a year. But it looks so good. I am listening, baby. What do you want? Oh, you've got me a present. Amazing.
And a teddy.
Oh wow. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.